So today we're looking at house plans and elevations, and here we have a floor plan on the far right of a particular house, and in the foreground here down in the center we've got, it looks like a side elevation. You can also have elevations drawn from the front, so that's a view of the front of the house. You can have a back view, a left side and a right side. And normally when you have house plans, you would have all of those things, sometimes on the one page, sometimes one on each page. It shows you, each elevation shows you the windows, the doors, and whatever's on each side of the house. And the floor plan is just a view from the top. So here we have a little sketch of a house, and we've got a view of the right elevation, the front elevation, I beg your pardon, it's a garage. You can see that that's the doorway, and this three-dimensional view is showing you, I would say, the back where the window is. Here's the floor plan, and the right elevation is where you've got the walk-in door. On a common house plan, you would have a key, or which has all the symbols on it, showing you all the features in the house, and they're generally standard, so you can see all of the pictures of what they look like in the key, and then you should be able to find them in the house. The house plan is generally drawn to scale, so this one says 1 to 150. That means if I measure anything on the plan with my ruler, to convert it to a real life measurement, I multiply it by 150. So for example, if this wall here measures 4 centimeters on your ruler, then in real life it's going to be 1 times 4 times 150. So let's imagine that bottom wall measured 4 centimeters, and that would be on the map. In real life, because the scale is 1 to 150, it's going to be 4 times 150, which is 600 centimeters, which of course is the same as 6 meters. That's basically how you do it. Now you have to have a go at the activity doing it yourself. You'll only need a ruler for question 3. Thank you.